You guys, since the day that I discovered this product, I have been literally dying to try it. I found out about Mrs. Kisses bra kits on Mia Maple's YouTube channel. I was watching one of her review videos and she was trying on this bra. And I had never ever heard of this product before. Never heard it mentioned by friends, never saw it online. And to me, it sounds like the most revolutionary thing ever. So I don't understand how people are not talking about it, which makes me wonder, does it actually work? So today we are reviewing the Mrs. Kisses Frontless, Backless, Strapless Bra Kit. And when you hear those words, you think, what is left? No front, no back, no straps, literally like where is the bra? Well, we are going to find out. I'm not saying that I speak for all women with larger chests, but in my experience, I hate strapless bras. I've tried just like your basic strapless bra that closes in the back, minimal padding. I've tried similar style, but quite heavily padded. I've tried the front closure style, which I thought, ooh, that might be a game changer because I like that style in a regular bra with straps. Nope. I've also tried Lazenza's new bra, which are these two separate pieces that are sticky on the inside and clasped together in the front. Still hated them. And the truth is, in my opinion and my experience, that strapless bras just don't offer anything for women with larger chests. You don't get support, you don't get cleavage, you really get nothing except for prevention of a nip slip. Like that's really the only reason that I would wear a strapless bra, is just to kind of keep things concealed. So for the most part, I just don't wear anything that requires a strapless or backless type of bra. Until today, I hope. I mean, we're gonna find out. So after I watched Mia Maple's video and I watched her review of this bra, I went onto Google and I searched Mrs. Kisses. I purchased the Shallow Plunge bra kit, which weirdly enough, I went back on the website just before filming this video to try to refresh myself on the shopping experience. And it's not advertised like on their main page where they sell their bra kits. So I don't even remember how I ended up on this kit. But if you search Shallow Plunge bra kit, it will come up. This kit, it's expensive. It was $127 US. I did end up finding a coupon. I can't remember if it was posted on the website at the time or if it was through Honey, which is a coupon, like an automated coupon app that I have downloaded on my computer. But either way, the code was Cheers223, so you can try that and see if it's still active. And I got about $22 off. So in total, I paid $105 US for the kit and then $35 in shipping to Canada. I believe in the United States, it's free shipping. So it ended up being $140 US, which for me in Canada was $180 Canadian. And then to actually get the shipment to my door, I had to pay duties of $29. So my total cost is around $210 Canadian. So this kit, in my opinion, is very pricey. I do not spend $200 on a bra. But the thing is, if I add up all the money that I have spent on strapless bras or strapless bra alternatives in my lifetime, like I've definitely spent more than $200. So what I'm hoping is this kit will work like it's supposed to, and it will be the new staple in my wardrobe. And I won't need to buy any more of those options, any more tape, pads, nothing, and I can just use this kit moving forward. I'd also like to say that the website advertises that these kits are good for bra sizes 30 A or B cup up to 50 J, which is just a crazy range. I am between a D and a double D cup, depending on the style of bra, the brand of bra. And even for me, if I'm going into a store like Lazenza or Victoria's Secret, I struggle to find a bra that will fit. And so outside of like a double D, once you get beyond that, it's a real challenge for women to find bras that are attractive and flattering. And usually women with larger chests have to go to like boutique lingerie stores to get a custom fit bra or just find a bra in a size range that will fit. So the fact that these bras are supposed to work for such a huge range of sizes, I think is amazing. And that's a really inclusive message. And I'm just so hopeful that this bra will do what it says it does. here it is. It is smaller and lighter than I was anticipating. I don't really know why I thought it would be some kind of like a big heavy box. I guess because it was $200. I thought that maybe it would be, but it's actually pretty small and pretty light. And don't judge me, okay? Don't come at me for my scissor use. Am I the safest person with a blade? No. Do I get the job done? Yes. Okay, so on the very top when you open this package is this postcard with a QR code, and it takes you to a setup guide tutorial. Now, I have watched the video on the website of the company owner showing you how to try on this bra, but there actually is virtual fitting. I'm hoping that by watching that tutorial on the website, I will be able to figure out how to do it without doing the fitting appointment. But if I can't get it in today's video, then I will book that virtual appointment. So beneath the postcard is a little black bag. Oh, and actually beneath that is just this cute little leafy thing on the bottom of the box. I would say not the cutest unboxing, but not bad. It kind of has a weird, I don't know, a little bit of a weird smell. I'm not really sure what it smells like, but it's got a little bit of a smell. Okay, so first things first, we've got this metal part. I'm not actually sure what to call these. I know that all the components do have names, but I'm just gonna call this the bra. So this is the bra. Absolutely revolutionary, I have to say. I have never seen anything like this. So the idea is these pads, from what I watched on the website, oh my gosh, actually they're really hard to adjust. So the idea is this sits underneath your chest. If you have a smaller chest, you're supposed to tip them in, and then if the larger your chest, you tip them out. Okay, so then there are 2 foam bra pads. Then there are these sticky tabs that I believe I'm going to stick on the inside of the bra. Then you put it on. So there's also this little black strap. In the owner's tutorial video, she described this as training wheels for this bra. So without the training wheels, okay, I'm gonna take these pads off for a second. So without the training wheels, you are literally just wearing this. Like this just goes on your body and you just walk around with no straps, no buckles, no ties, nothing, which does seem a little bit intimidating. Like I am skeptical that this thing is going to stay up, although I am impressed so far with how like strong and tense this thing is. When you first start wearing it, this little strap hooks onto the bottom of it and you strap it around your body if you aren't feeling comfortable. Okay guys, so I guess there's nothing left but to try this bra on, and keep your fingers crossed for me. I'm going to watch the tutorial video on the website quickly, put it on, and we'll just see if it produces the support and cleavage that the website boasts.
The next step is the bra bar. You want to keep this as close together, just like tongs, in order to get max cleavage. You do not expand
Like
it when
tongs.
you put it on.
I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm struggling. The truth is, it is just not staying on. This is a struggle. I'm sweating. This is it's actually really hard. She makes it look so simple, like, oh, you just put it in place, put your little pads on and you're good to go. Like, no, that is not true. Maybe it's because I don't have a sticky thing on it yet. You know what? I skipped a step. I think I was supposed to put the sticky thing on.
Then there are these sticky tabs that I believe I'm going to stick on the inside of the bra.
Which would explain why I cannot get it to stay on. Okay, let me go back.
Last but not least, the most important part are your anti-slip silicone stickers. You have 4 of these.
You must place these on your Mrs. Kisses bra. This is the only way the bra will work and stay on.
The only way the bra will work and stay on. That makes sense why it won't work or stay on, because I skipped a very important step. Okay, well, yeah, that's like way better. I will say, like, initially right now, I feel super secure. Like, I do not feel at all like this is gonna fall off. It took me a long while to get to this point, but it's definitely so far, like, I will walk around, but I'm feeling snug. So let's try on a shirt and see. So here's the deal. I do not think that I have this bra set up perfectly yet, because you can still see the pads underneath the shirt that I'm wearing, but I'm gonna show you for like half a second what this looks like, is I'll be real with you, like it's all up in your girl. I don't wear that much showy. I'm not usually showing off the girls to this degree. So I think it works. So we're just gonna, the only issue I have with this bra right now is that you do see the outline of the pads in the shirt, but I'm thinking that that's actually like a fit issue. Like I haven't perfectly set this up yet. I probably will do that video tutorial now just to see if there's a way to resolve that, but I'm going to try this on with a few other pieces of clothing and we can see what it looks like. So if you are someone with a smaller chest, you may want to consider getting a different size bra pad. They do sell kits with different size pads. This is just like their standard size, but it is a pretty large pad. So if you have a smaller chest, you may end up seeing the pads quite a bit if you want to wear a shirt that like has more skin exposed. And so it may be better for you to size down to a smaller size. Or alternatively, if you have a really large chest, they do sell like bigger pads as well. So I think that that kit is probably a good thing to add. Okay, so I've got my shirt back on that I had at the start of this video, and I was originally wearing this with a bra with straps. And I have to say, like, I don't think they lied. Like, I'm feeling more exposed than I was in my other bra. So the metal bar is right here, and I don't think that you can really see it at all through the shirt. And like, I feel super supported. I thought that I would feel like really nervous to move around, but honestly, like I can walk around. I've walked around my room and I think it feels totally fine. Like at this point, I wouldn't even put the training wheels on. I have to say, honestly, like I'm quite impressed. Okay, you guys, I'm going to give my final thoughts. I am no longer wearing the bra, just full disclosure. I'm back in my normal clothes. I am super impressed with the Mrs. Kisses bra kit. It really lived up to the expectations. Like I don't think I've ever had cleavage like I have in that bra, honestly. Like I was very skeptical when I was first putting it on. I did not think it was going to work. I didn't think it would stay up, but seriously, it makes you feel so secure and it really makes you like, it makes the girls look good. The only issue I have with the bra is that I do find that you can see the pads. I'll have to keep playing around with that and see if I can adjust them more because they may just not be sitting like in the perfect position. To me, that's not even really a deal breaker because I don't think people are going to be really focusing on that if they see the rest of it. But that is just one consideration. Honestly, like I'm giving it like a 9 out of 10. If I can solve the bra pad issue, then it's like a 10 out of 10. I really feel like it lived up to the expectations, and I honestly think that that bra really would work on like all chest sizes, and I do not regret the money I spent. I mean, yeah, like go Mrs. Kisses. Like, yep, gets a thumbs up. Totally happy with it. I would totally recommend buying the Mrs. Kisses Plunge bra kit. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I am very happy that this product worked out as well as I was hoping, and I will see you again very soon. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.